Hello everyone! Kumusta? Jesus Emporium here. Welcome to my channel. I know, right? Looks very comfy though.
Wow.
So for today's video, everyone, is from Babala Company. Thank you so much for your generosity in my channel. And my way of appreciation is I will be doing an unboxing and a review of my own personal opinion and a try on outdoor to this. Okay, so a little bit information about Babala Company is another replica store online in the market, and they carries a lot of luxury products such as bag or purses, accessories. They do have a lot of accessories, guys. Clothing, yes, and sports gear. There you do have a lot of sports gear like shoes, sunglasses for men and women. All right, so I will have a few eyesight for you guys to at least take a look of what products they are carrying into market. So I have few of their products, so at least you can have an idea of what products they are selling into market, right? So I have few here, and they do have a lot of offers, guys, and you can use my discount coupon as well, right? So that will help listen to the amount of the product you are wishing to buy. And better to give a gift to yourself. It feels great when you give a gift to yourself. Yes, I'm telling this always all the time. I know inflation is a big time, but that doesn't mean we have to stop not to go shopping. Give a gift to yourself. That helps a lot. Feels good, really. So without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. Okay, please see me in the unboxing and in my try on outdoor too. Thank you. All right, then. So let's begin the unboxing. And please be careful in using sharp objects, okay? Thank you. Can't wait. Ha ha ha. Okay, there you go. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Babala, for this. You're such a generous though to my channel and to me. Here comes what I got. Ha ha. Oh, this is beautiful. I can't wait to use this in my workout. And of course, in my try on outdoor to this. So let's take this out. Okay. So, what do you say? Okay. So I choose a running shoes this time because as we all know, summer is here. So I got lots of more outdoor, and I will be taking this in my Philippine vacation in 2 months. So yeah, pretty cool. Look at that design. And all right, so let's check inside. Okay. Stitches are in place perfectly. And boom, look at that. Huh. Okay, so let's check inside carefully. No, very neat, clean stitches. I don't see out of line stitches, guys. Babala, you did great, really. This is so beautiful. So for more information, their links is below in this video, okay? And please don't forget to use my discount code to. Pretty cool. This is so awesome. Thank you so much. I super love this. As you all know, I love to do my workout. I love to do indoor, run, walk. I just love that kind of activities. It's pretty. And I got one here too. So let's take this and let's see inside. Oh, you see? I don't see out of line stitches. It is super neat, clean, right? Oh my God. Can't really wait to try this outdoor. Look at the material, guys. No? Beautiful, beautiful. Well done, Babala. Super. I love it. Super. Love this one. Thank you so much. I can't wait for my try-on outdoor to this. Let us use and let's proceed to the try-on outdoor to this. Okay? Okay. So, what do you say? Right? Looks very comfy though. I bet it is. No? Well, since summer is still here, I prefer these shoes. Very beautiful, isn't it? Can't really wait to try this outdoor. I will be using this in my workout outdoor. So for some kind of testing, how's the shoes feel? How's my feet feel in the shoes? Okay, so let's check one side by side. Okay, so everything really is in the right. I don't see out of line stitches in this. And inside, as I was showing you earlier in my unboxing, it's pretty good, really, like super. And this one too. So both has in the right place. So let's see how is this shoes, how comfy this shoes is in my try-on outdoor, because I will be using this in my try-on exercise outdoor. In that way, I can, some kind of testing how this shoes works in my feet. Because since summer is still here, and even it's not summer, though, I am always using my runners, especially in doing my workout too, like using my treadmill. So I prefer to have, of course, we all prefer to have a very comfy shoes. So that's we are looking forward to this. I am hoping. So let's find out in my try on outdoor to this. Okay, so let's go try this outdoor. So when I started my gear on, it was sunny. You can notice that in my window, in my curtain, it was sunny. And all of a sudden, it's changed just like this. So this is the Alberta weather here. So however, I got my gear on. I use my sweatshirt top because as you can see, it's gloomy. And of course, we still have to carry on this try-on outdoor. All right. I'm sweating. So let's take this top off. Right. Very comfy though. Super soft material, and I don't feel any sharpness inside the shoes. So yeah, very. I will definitely recommend this 100%. This is super soft material, guys. I have an original of like this brand shoes, and it's just I feel the same thing. Like no sharp, very comfortable, very soft, and very light as well. It rained in no time. So let's take this off. Take the shoes off and see. Right. very comfy shoes. Truthfully. Hmm. Thank you so much, Babala, for this. I super love this one. It's gonna be my new running shoes. Thank you. So this is all for today's video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye bye.